Hello everyone, I am Ashwini Shankar Gajbe. I completed my graduation from Datta Institute of Engineering from Savangi, Varta. After that, I am preparing for government exam. Due to some issue, I am shifted to IT sector. One of my friend told me about the Evision Technolab. Evision Technolab is a IT internship program. It's a IT internship program with the help of experienced mentor, where I have learned about the ITIL, CCNA networking, Windows administration, Windows server, network security. Right now I'm excited to share. I'm selected in ProDigiSign Private Limited as a system engineer with good package, and I'm truly grateful to Evision team for their support through my whole journey. Thank you so much.